Yeah, I know, that's not the quilt lab, that's the fishing lab where I'm editing the latest fishing piece. But the quilt lab is out this way, and there's another project in progress. Halfway there, and it should be interesting. So, what do you got going here?
I am making a sampler quilt. And I got this book, and I'm making 100 different quilt blocks.
You didn't have to get that for Christmas, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So what's the target?
Okay, so here's a layout.
Yep.
All 100 blocks with a fancy border.
Yep.
So I'm trying to figure out what to do for the border here. And right now I finished 80 of the 100 blocks. They're in this container. There they are. Every single one is different. They're all
Holy
different.
smokes, that's a lot of them.
Yes.
Peel
that's
a few
80.
off the top and show me.
Okay, well, this is the simplest one. That's pretty hard, that one.
Yeah.
All the triangles and everything. And then on this pile, more tiles. It just very complicated, some of them, like
Yeah.
that.
You're
And
gonna all stick those end to end like building blocks and create a big quilt out of it, right?
yes, end to end.
So it starts with these little things, right?
Well, that's one part of it. There's 20 blocks of these.
Yeah.
And it's called English paper piecing, and you cut little pieces of cardboard into different shapes. See that one?
Yeah.
The book shows you which
Okay, and the
what
fabric's
shape.
on the other side.
Sorry. Yeah, here's one. Okay, so then you figure out what you want to do, what fabric to use, and then you have to cut around it and glue it down so that you have like this. This is gonna make a butterfly.
So that's just one group. You got to take all those little shapes,
They look like this.
stitch them together.
I have to sew them all together, sort of like this one.
Yeah.
I did that one already.
Yeah.
And you sew them together, hold them like this,
And then eventually you make them into those blocks.
And yes, wait a sec, that's on there. Over here, this is a good one. I
here's
did
a
this
finished
one, and it's going to go on this piece of fabric.
Okay. Now I'm sort of seeing how this staged thing works.
Yeah, that goes on there. I'll have to sew that on there, and this will become another block. And there'll be 20 of these. This is the end of my 100 blocks. The right here. These are all prepped and ready to go.
Yeah. So how long is it going to take you to finally get to the finished quilt? Sounds like forever, I think.
Well, yes, I need to get more fabric.
Yeah. Okay.
and then yes, I think it'll probably be next fall.
Oh, wow, this is a long commitment here.
Yeah, well, I have to quilt it down here on this long arm,
Yeah.
and I might not finish the top until I go north. Then I have to wait till I come back
Yeah.
to long arm it there.
Well, there you go. Another massive project here in the Quilt Lab as we motor along in the dead of January. Oh, by the way, in case anybody up north is wondering, it's going to go up a little freezing tonight. Thanks for being with us.
Good night, everybody.